All right, today's video we're going to talk about optimizing images and how you actually do that and why you would optimize your images for SEO. So why? It's going to help with search engines understanding the content that you have on the page, and it's going to add the ability for relevant local information embedded in it, and that's called the EXIF data. It's part of a JPEG backend data that you can go in and customize, and images do rank in search, so it is going to help for those purposes as well. The things that you're going to need, if you have a PC, very simple to do, just basic PC. But if you have a Mac, you probably want to get a software. I'm not quite sure how to do it on that, but you need to be able to edit JPEG exif data. The other information you're going to need is your NAP. So they call that your name, address, phone number, and we add URLs to that as well. So your website, any social links that you may have, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, citations, which would be Yelp, Foursquare, yp.com, and then also you're going to need your GPS coordinates. I use iTouchMap for that. You can just go and you can enter your business address and it will pull up the longitude and latitude, and then also related keywords for your tags. So once you have that done, we'll go to the next step, which I've created some examples here. And so for Copp Media, you can see we've got the business name, address, phone number, GPS coordinates, and then I've got our URL to our website, and then I've added Facebook, Google, and Twitter. But it would be very good if you include some that are local, if you have any local listings from local websites, or also from industry sources that are relevant to your industry. And keywords. So keywords here, I've just added advertising agency, marketing company, Wichita, Kansas, on down. You can see those. And so now the steps. We're going to find the JPEG image on your computer. We're going to right-click the image and choose Properties. Use your main keyword in the file name box and make sure that you use hyphens for space. And I will show you an example of how we're going to do each of these. Use that same file name for the title. Remove the hyphens and use spaces instead here. Use the main keyword in a sentence for a description. Copy and paste the keywords in the tag section. Copy and paste your NAP info and comments. And then, of course, you can add your business name and website to the authors. So we are going to create that example right now. Go to the folder where you're going to have that image, and in this case I've got some set up here, and all I want you to do is right click on that image, go down to Properties. Now here's your file name again, and we include hyphens instead of spaces, and so you're going to fill that out using a keyword that's relevant. And if this is our logo or if this is on the home page, then I'm just going to use Copp Media, Wichita, Kansas. If this is on a page that is about services we provide like digital marketing, then I might use digital marketing, Wichita, Kansas. Okay, so I keep all my information in a notepad. You might use Google Spreadsheets or Excel to keep your information in, so that way you can track for all the images that you're using. I've already added mine to here, so in the Details tab, you can see I've added title without the hyphens, use spacing, and then I've used the keyword in a sentence. I've given myself a rating of 5 stars, really the only place Google says it's okay to rate yourself. I've added all my tags, I've copied and pasted those in. And then, of course, in the comments, that's where I have all my NAP information. So you can see name, address, phone number, URLs, all that information is right there. And then in the authors, that's where I've added the business name and then also the website URL. If you go to the description, you can also get a link to download this on SlideShare, or you can also see other how-to videos that we have created.